So over here, sometimes what happens is that you receive an email right here with multiple recipients, as you can see right here. For example, there's email for tututubechannel@gmail.com, as well as another tututube email, that is tututubechannel3@gmail.com right here, and 2 as well. So let's say while you're replying to this particular email, you want to go ahead and then reply to all. If you were to go around and click on reply right here, then it'll create an email with just the sender's email address right here, just like this. But what you can do is you can click on reply all right here, and what happens is that all of the email addresses that is included in the two, that is the others that has the mail been sent to as well, will be added in as you click on reply to, and you can reply to all as well. So as you expand this, you can see that reply all and reply is an option right here as well. So if I were to go ahead and then, let's say for example, say hello and send the email, then it'll be sent to all of the 3 email addresses right here, which the mail came from and to whom it was addressed. So you can go around and start working like on replying an email thread altogether. So that is how you can utilize the reply all option inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.